Hi everyone, in front of me I've got REALME C11 2021 and let me share with you how to enable night light or eye comfort mode. So first of all we will begin with the customization of this mode, and then I'll show you much faster access to this feature after this whole personalization. So firstly let's enter the settings, and here we have to go to the display option, so let's tap on it. As you can see on the third position we've got eye comfort, so let's tap on it, and in order to actually customize it we have to turn it on now. So let's tap on this blue button, and as you can see the screen turns a little bit yellowish or even amber, and it is in order to filter the blue light, and it will be much easier for you to look at the screen at the dim light. What's more, you can change the intensity of that feature just by using this switcher. By going to the left you can make it cooler, it is almost invisible, and by going to the right, warmer. So it's really up to which option you like to set. What's more, you can schedule that feature, so let's tap on it, and as you can see you can turn it on a custom time, so you can freely pick the start and end time, or you can turn it on from sunset to sunrise, so your device will automatically decide when the sunset and sunrise are. So it's up to you. Let me show you how to custom time, for example. So let's tap on it, and as you can see we've got the start time and end time. So let me pick the start time, which will be around, I don't know, maybe 1 o'clock. Let's tap on OK, and as you can see the screen immediately and automatically changes and it turns on the eye comfort. Of course it is because we are between the start and end time. But let me turn off the schedule option. So actually this is the whole customization of this feature, and I told you that I will show you much faster access to it. So all you have to do in order to turn on or off the eye comfort is to simply unroll the top bar, and here we have to find the eye comfort icon, which is right here. As you can see right now, of course it is active, we've got this yellowish screen, but you can turn it all off, just by tapping on this icon, and as you can see the screen immediately turns back to its normal state. Of course you can turn it on the same way. If for some reason you cannot find this eye comfort icon here, no worries, just tap on this pencil icon here, and as you can see you will be able to pick and find it somewhere here, and then all you have to do in order to show it on this default panel is to simply tap on it and hold it, and as you can see right now you can drag it. So just drag it to this section and leave the finger, so it will immediately appear there. So actually this is it. This is how to enable eye comfort mode in your REALME C11 2021. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.